So welcome here. So today we are going to cover how to set up a page for a print. Okay, when you have typed your document and you are going for a print, so you need to set up a margin at the top, at the left, at the right, and at the bottom. Okay, so this much space we have left over here. This much space we have left here and on the right side. Okay, so if you want to means customize this setup, then how we'll do it? We will use the ruler for this one. Okay, so you need to go to view. So ruler is here, so just click here and you will get ruler at the top and at left side also. Okay, so now if you want to adjust this, suppose you want your text to come in the print from here. Okay, so you just go here, and when you get the both arrows like this, then just click your left mouse button and then drag it like this. Okay, so with this you can adjust it. Okay, similarly for right side you can adjust like this. Okay, so whatever you want, the way your print should come on your the page, accordingly you can adjust it. And same way you can adjust this from the this left one about the top one. Top means top margin, and according to means in the same way you can adjust the bottom also. Okay, you can adjust the bottom like this. Okay, so in this way you can adjust the page setup. How does it look like in your print? Okay, so this is what about the margins. Okay, now we'll go how the page means layout will work out. Okay, so we'll go to the layout here, and here is the orientation. Okay, so this is the portrait one, and we have another option of the landscape. Okay, we can select it landscape from here, so it can be printed like this also. Okay, it is like that. Okay, and you can adjust the size also from here. There the size option is there. Default is A4. If you are having A3 size paper, you can select this one. This will be bigger one. And if you are having a smaller size, then you can go for A5, something like that. Okay, so these are the options that we are having over here. Okay, from here you can select like this. So we are just switching over to portrait one. Now if you are going to print, just go to the print by pressing Ctrl P, and now will come over here. So you need to select a printer from here, whatever the printer you are having. And from this setting, if you are printing all the pages, then you don't need to do anything from here. But if you want to print certain prints, for example, you want to print the second page and fourth page, so you need to put like this: second comma fourth. Okay, okay, now if you are going to print one sided, then this will be selected. If you are going to print both side, then the both side will be selected. Okay, now here again you are getting the portrait and the landscape orientation. If you are having the portrait, nothing to do. If you have selected landscape, then in the print itself you need to select like this. Okay, so it will give in the landscape means print out. Similarly, if you are having pages, here it is a page, one page per sheet, two page per sheet, means you can select from here also that how many pages you want in sheets. For example, you want two pages per sheet, you select this one. Okay, then in a sheet, in a page, you will get two pages, means both of these pages will come in one sheet. Okay, so if you are selecting means this option, and custom margin option is also available here, so you can select from here. Okay, you can have a narrow margin, so this margin is adjusted here, means the margin that you were setting over there, that margin can also be set up here also. Okay, so say like this. So after you have set up everything, just click over the print and you get the print as you want. Okay, so this is all about the page setup for print. And if you have any questions and doubt, you can put a comment below. Thank you very much.